If you are looking for a very first pair of truly wireless earphones, chances are you might have to lighten up your wallet a bit. But OnePlus just released their own version of truly wireless earphones known as the OnePlus Buds, which will cost you just 10 rupees shy of 5000. So are these earphones worth spending 5000 on? Let's find out. Hey, what's up guys, it's Bhushan. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, inside the box you will get the OnePlus Buds themselves in this matte black or shall I say grey color. Moving on, you have a USB Type-C charging cable and lastly the usual documentation. Connecting the OnePlus Buds is a fairly simple process. All you have to do is just open up the charging case, go in your Bluetooth settings and click connect. But if you have a OnePlus phone like I do, all you have to do is just open up the case and click connect from the pop-up you get. There are even more perks of having a OnePlus phone paired with the OnePlus Buds, which I'll come back to in a while. Now talking about the build quality, both the charging case and the earbuds are made of pretty good plastic and do not feel cheap at all. And there is also this metal hinge that produces a satisfying click every time you close the case. The only weird thing I found is that the case is matte in finish but the earbuds are glossy. I just wish that the buds were also coated with the matte finish. Moving on to the design of the earbuds, they come with an on-ear design that you may or may not like. And as there is no rubber ear tip on this pair of earphones, they might or might not fit properly on your ears. For me, the fit was on point and the buds stayed in place no matter what I did. Now the look and feel is completely subjective, so you will either love the way they look or you can call the OnePlus Buds an AirPod clone and hate them. For me, the grey color looks pretty damn good, and not to mention the matte black / grey charging case is a cherry on top. So, how do the OnePlus Buds sound? To sum it all up in a single phrase, I would say they sound good. Let me explain. First of all, the earbuds are not that loud. Don't get me wrong, they are sufficient enough to fill your ears with music, but coming from something like the Bullets Wireless Z, the buds feel sort of low sounding to me. Talking about the overall sound signature of the OnePlus Buds, they are quite balanced. The mids and highs are well separated and the vocals were also quite clear. Although if you're a fan of bassy music with a lot of beats and thump, you won't be welcome over here. Now don't get me wrong, the bass is good for a normal user, but if you're a basshead, you might feel slightly disappointed. When it comes to the call quality on these buds, the microphone does a really good job at not only picking up my voice but also cancelling the background noise at the same time. The other party had no issues hearing my voice over a phone call. Although I personally think that the voice sounds a bit mushy when recorded from the OnePlus Buds. Here's a quick sample for you to have a look at. Recording this part of the video with the OnePlus Buds as my primary source for audio, this should give you a good idea of how does the OnePlus Buds perform when it comes to outdoor noise cancellation. So you be the judge and let me know what do you think about the noise cancellation and sound quality of the OnePlus Buds. The OnePlus Buds also have ear detection, which means it pauses the media when you remove one bud out of your ear and resumes it back when you put it back in. Another cool feature is Quick Switch. If you have seen my Bullets Wireless Z video, you might already be familiar with this feature. Quick Switch allows you to quickly switch between two recently paired devices. For example, switching between your phone and your PC. All you have to do is just hold the touch area of any single buds for 3 seconds. You can also customize the touch controls of both the buds. The only catch is, you need a OnePlus device to do any type of customization on your buds. I know that's really not what everyone would like, but this is what makes OnePlus users feel special. Now coming on the battery life of these earbuds, they last anywhere between 5 to 6 hours at 70 to 80% volume. And if you're planning to do a lot of calling, the battery performance will deplete by half. The charging case takes up to 90 minutes to fully juice up. Once completely charged, the case can charge up the earbuds from 0 to 100% up to 4 times. And considering that the buds themselves last up to 5 to 6 hours on a single charge, the battery life seems pretty impressive. Now couple it with a warp charger and you're all sorted when it comes to battery. All in all, the OnePlus Buds are a really great pair of truly wireless earphones if your budget is around 5000. And if you're planning to buy your very first pair of TWS, you can definitely click the buy button. The only issues that I found are number 1, the loudness, and number 2, the mushy sound output while making a call. If you're okay with these two things and if you have a OnePlus phone, trust me, the OnePlus Buds are made for you. I guess that wraps it up. If you like what you see, consider liking and subscribing. With that being said, I'm Bhushan and I'm signing.